So how was the puja today? Superb, no? Nice. So thank you, Vaibhavji. It was a wonderful experience. Also thank both the Pandits, Subray and Nitesh ji, both of them from Gurukul, both of them Pandits. Subray is almost a regular fixture in this area. He's almost our Asthana Pandit now. So Nitesh ji, for the first time you are coming. I think we'll see you again next week. Okay, so lovely chanting, no? So synchronized and everything. It adds to the entire aura that he built up. And wonderful explanation we all got. So most of the time we कुछ जान के चल जाते हैं ना, या कुछ मान के चलते हैं. अभी जान के चला हम लोग आज. So he explained what is the purpose of doing whatever we did. So thank you, Vaibhavji. That was a wonderful explanation for all of us.
It generally happens, if you have to transcend from the body to the breath, to the mind, to the intellect and beyond, you have to specify all the layers below. Then only you are able to transcend. ये बरोबर है, ये सही है. Moment that yes mind comes, you are transcended the mind. Moment intellect says, oh yes, right, from Shire to Mana, from yes. If you are transcendent the intellect, then there is a the ego is the last. That moment you close your eyes and sit, go deep into meditation, that also. And then there is nothing but the Rudra. That is the process basically. So that explanation is, as Guruji has said, it is important. Little bit of that, little bit of knowledge. Otherwise what we do? We go to this Shiva temples or Jyotirlinga, they're like, jal chadaiye, full pushpa chadaiye, bhasma lagaiye, all that. They don't explain. So what is the meaning? What is Rudra is what is the most important part of this entire Rudra Puja. To understand what is it. And it's you, your own self, is what the Rudra is.
And that was very important because otherwise we exactly do what you are saying. Ye chadaiye, wo chadaiye. So I think it was very, very, enlightening also.
Yeah. It's very easy to transcend. The moment you hear those mantras, you are like, yes, he had explained this, yes, this is happening, yes. And then you try to experience, okay, am I experiencing or not?
Yeah, exactly. You are able to think what you are doing.
Exactly. That's all. So it's an important part. Gurudev had said, thoda sa explanation though, just ऐसे झलक. Yeah. तो बहुत लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. अरे फिर ऐसा है, ये मंत्र का अर्थ ये होता है, ये मंत्र का अर्थ होता है, उसके बाद ये मंत्र होता है, उसके बाद ये मंत्र होता है, फिर इससे ऐसा होता है. ऐसे भी होते हैं कुछ पंडित लोग, पूरा एक्सप्लेन करने लगते हैं, पूरा का पूरा. फिर उन्होंने अच्छा शुरू कब करेंगे?
शुरू से भी ज़्यादा खत्म कब करेंगे? रेलेवेंस पता नहीं रहता है कि क्यों कर रहे हैं.
Exactly. Like short 15-20 minutes of this little info, which is good enough to transcend from the gross to the subtle. That's all.
And we should not forget to thank Rohan ji. Wonderful, no? He kept us all enchanted.
Rohan ji and Suresh ji.
And mainly, we should all thank Vikrant ji and all, and Shweta ji, They do it quite often. They have that will to come and organize this and share this joy with everyone, So that's so nice of you, Vikrant ji. Rohan ji was very good, And listening to him for the first time.
So while one song goes ahead, Prasad ji ko lena.
Yeah. So those who you can take the blessings. So he brings the blessings directly from Gurudev. So you can take the blessings via Vaibhav ji, and take the prasad. Shobna ji,